Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something super exciting for you. The hottest entryway decorating ideas for 2024. Whether you are a minimalistic, a plant lover or someone who loves a pops of color, we have got you covered. Let's start with keeping things simple. In 2024, a popular style is called minimalistic. It means making your space neat and tidy. Imagine having a slim table near the door, a mirror to make the area look bigger, and a few standout items. Remember, having fewer things often makes a place look even better. So, if you want your entryway to look cool and clean, go for minimalistic. Get a sleek table, add a mirror to create space, and choose a couple of special items to show off. Trust me, when it comes to decorating, sometime having less stuff is the way to go. It is like a magic trick for making your entryway look awesome and welcoming. If you love nature, transform your entryway into a green paradise. Imagine bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside your home. Just add some potted plants, a cool plant stand, and artworks inspired by nature. It is like creating a calm and peaceful garden right at your doorstep. Every time your entry, you will feel like you are stepping into a serene nature heaven. The greenery not only looks fantastic but also bring a refreshing vibe to your space. It is an easy and delightful way to make your entryway a welcoming and tranquil spot. So grab some plants, find a cute stand, and let nature green your every time you home. In 2024, making a bold statement in your home is super trendy. Here is an easy way to do it. Pick one wall like the main wall in your entryway and turn into your own canvas. Use bright and lovely colors, cool shapes like triangle or square, or even try a textured wall for added flair. This quick change instantly boosts your mood every time you step inside. So imagine opening your front door to a burst of vibrant energy and stylish pattern. It is like a daily dose of happiness for your home. Give it a go and let your wall speak volume about your awesome style in the coming years. Step into the future with a tech-savvy entryway. Imagine having cool gadgets in your entrance area like a digital display showing your family scheduled, a mirror that tells you the weather, and lights that respond to your voice. It is not just a hallway, it is like a sneak peek into what homes might be like in the future. Stay organized with your family plans. Check the weather before heading out and control your lights without touching a switch. This modern touch makes your home feel super advanced and it is sure to impress your friends. So let your entryway be more than just a door. Let it be a portal to the future. Alright, DIY fans, this one's for you. Imagine turning your entryway into cozy storybook about your life. How create a gallery wall? It is like a big, beautiful scrapbook on your wall. Pick your best love photos, maybe some art you made yourself or things that means a lot to you. Arrange them in a way that makes you smile. This gallery wall is like a warm hug when you comes home. It says, "This is me and I am glad to be back." So grab these pictures, your crafty creation, and let your entryway tell your awesome story every time you open that doors. Easy right, happy decorating DIY camps. There you have it. Our top 5 entryway decorating ideas for 2024. Whether you are into minimalistic, nature vibe, bold statement, tech savvy setups, or DIY charms, there is smoothing for everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more home inspiration, and let us know in the comments below which idea you are excited to try.